So what do you do when you have questions about the assembly service in PATRIC? We've talked about these little information icons and question marks here, but the quickest way to get information is to click on this icon to go directly to the tutorial. And this will show you how to exactly submit an assembly job in PATRIC and how to interpret different information about the assembly job. Notice along the left-hand side, if I scroll down there, it gives you other information about PATRIC, including different tutorials that we have, and you can drill down further here, or often common tasks in PATRIC, command line interface, webinars, instructional videos, any workshops we have. But you have questions about assembly. So you can learn how to submit and interpret the assembly job here. And forgive me while I scroll, because I want to show you one of the most important parts for me as a working researcher. And I'm trying to get I did my assembly in PATRIC, and I'm trying to publish it. I'm submitting the manuscript, and I know I assembled the genome in PATRIC a long time ago, but what did I do? I can't just say I assembled it in PATRIC. A reviewer is going to want to know which recipe I used. These are the links to each of the papers that you can cite for whatever assembly recipe was used. And what we'd like you to say was, the reads were submitted to PATRIC's assembly service, and please reference us. And the reads were assembled using Unicycler or Spades or Canoe. And if you did that, we would be very grateful to you and really appreciate it. So let's say, that's the perfect situation, right? Where you submitted your assembly and you're about to publish, but sometimes it's not the happiest situation. So if I'm at my jobs page and I can see that this assembly is currently running. Oh, it's so exciting. I submitted my data. It's great. I'm going to get an assembly. But sometimes things go wrong and the job fails. Now, this is where I need to chide a lot of you, because often when you have a job that fails, you just walk away from it. Don't do that. Let us know. We want you to have success. A success. It could be something on our side. We could have had a memory issue or a server briefly went down, and we can resubmit the job for you. Don't just walk away when you have a failed job. We have this button here. When you've selected this row, you can go into the report issue icon. Click on that. It's so easy. You don't have to do anything but hit the submit button. And that comes directly to me. And I send it to the developers, and I tell them that our important researcher has an issue and solve it for them. So there's no excuses. When you have a failed job, let us know. Let us help you. We want you to have research success. It's better for you. It's better for us. So submit the failed jobs. And this concludes the PATRIC assembly tutorial. You've assembled a genome. Now it's on to annotation, and that's what we'll cover next. Thanks. Bye.